If you're looking for an AI tool that can completely transform your branding efforts, then Branding 5 AI is something you definitely want to pay attention to. This just released AI software has quickly made waves, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Stick around to the end because I'll also share how you can try this software completely free from the first link below. First, Branding 5 AI is an advanced platform designed to help businesses and creators fine-tune their branding strategies using artificial intelligence. Whether you're looking to develop a brand identity, refine your messaging, or streamline your entire branding process, this software is packed with powerful tools that can give you a serious edge. But what sets it apart? Let's dive into that. One of the standout features of Branding 5 AI is its intuitive user interface. Many AI platforms can be overwhelming with complex menus and steep learning curves, but Branding 5 AI offers a very clean, easy-to-navigate design. Even if you're new to the world of AI or digital marketing, you'll find yourself getting up to speed in no time, which is crucial for any business owner or marketer looking to make an impact quickly. Next, let's talk about the customization options. Branding 5 AI allows you to tailor your branding to your specific needs. You're not stuck with generic templates or ideas. The AI generates branding recommendations based on your company's unique voice, target audience, and industry. It takes a huge burden off your shoulders, especially for those of you who might be unsure about what direction to take with your brand identity. Another major benefit is the automated content generation. Content creation can be time-consuming, and consistency is key in branding. With Branding 5 AI, you can automate social media posts, blog content, and even email campaigns. This automation is designed to not only save you time, but to ensure that your messaging stays consistent across all channels, which is critical for building a strong brand presence. And if you're wondering about the quality of the generated content, Branding 5 AI excels here as well. Thanks to its machine learning algorithms, the software produces high-quality text, ensuring that your content resonates with your audience and aligns with your brand's voice. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, the content you produce will reflect your branding goals effectively. Branding 5 AI also integrates seamlessly with other tools you're probably already using, like your CRM or email marketing platforms. This means you won't have to worry about manually importing or exporting data between systems. You can just focus on the creative side of things, while Branding 5 AI handles the technical details. The software also provides comprehensive analytics and insights. This is especially valuable if you're looking to track how well your branding strategies are performing. With detailed reports on engagement and user behavior, you can make data-driven decisions to refine your approach and ensure that you're getting the best results possible. Now, if you're someone who values the importance of branding and digital marketing, you know how vital it is to stay ahead of the curve. Branding 5 AI positions itself as a game changer in this space, offering a mix of powerful features and ease of use that few other platforms can match. As a quick reminder, you can try Branding 5 AI for completely free through the first link in the description. After testing thousands of AI software options, I only recommend the best, and Branding 5 AI is at the top of my list. Finally, if you want to explore other AI tools that could complement your branding efforts or provide additional functionality, be sure to check out the links in the description. These are all tried and tested software options that I believe could make a big difference in your business. That's all for this review of Branding 5 AI. I hope this helped you get a better understanding of what this new AI tool can do for your branding strategy.